O National President ke National People's Party NPP, o Conrad Sangma ha ka Henryuterek ulaber ulaong baka sarkar jang u kan penit jingmut bat shimkia halor ke Thaw ki kam ki jam da ka ba Kyntiew ki Tnat kum ka IT bat ki kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei. Ulaong ru baka thong jang u ka long ban Thaw kum ba arhusan hajar teldi ki kam ha ka Tnat IT hashwa ban kut ka samoy tray kam.
So we have laid the foundation of governance in the last 5 years in the sectors that we felt was very, very crucial. And of course, we will take those steps forward. We have also realized and recognized that there is a great need to push certain sectors in order to ensure that we are able to create a large number of job opportunities. And hence, that will be one of the top priorities for us in the next 5 years. Whether it's the IT sector. In the last 5 years, we have managed to open up the 3,000-seater call center and BPO IT park. I intend that within this next 5 years, that we should open more than at least 20,000 seats, if not more. We already have sanctioned for the last government 5,000 more seats. So I will push. I'm not saying we can do it, but it's my target and goal that we should, at the end of this term, we should have at least about 20-25,000 seats of BPO sector in our state. I want to push even the tourism sector a lot, because I strongly feel that tourism is one area we can really work on, and there are small ways in which we can create multiple avenues for livelihood, and that's what's going to be also a big focus for us. We feel value addition in agriculture is something that is very important, and if we do it the right way, we feel again a lot of opportunities can be created in those areas.
O Conrad unsa bams mai kum menteri rang ba gajala ha ka sien ka baar ha ka Henryuterek ulaber haraj bhavan ha ka ba on wan manya dan ringkat lang menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi bad menteri ke kampo yeng kari Amit Shah.